Good afternoon. Today we are going to see about dry corrosion. So yesterday we have seen what is corrosion, what are the types. Today dry corrosion, you know very well what is dry corrosion. The direct attack of metal surface by the atmospheric gases like oxygen, sulfur, hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, etc. So this is the direct attack of metal surface by the atmospheric gases in the absence of moisture is the condition. In the absence of moisture. That is called as dry corrosion, or it is also called as chemical corrosion. This is also called as chemical corrosion. That is direct attack on metal surface by the atmospheric gases in the absence of moisture. It is called as chemical corrosion or dry corrosion. So that is, there are three types of dry corrosion. That is oxidation corrosion or corrosion by oxygen. Oxidation corrosion or corrosion by oxygen. Next one is corrosion by hydrogen. Corrosion by hydrogen. And next one is liquid metal corrosion. These are the three different types of liquid metal corrosion. These are the three different types of dry corrosion. First we are going to see the oxidation corrosion. What is oxidation corrosion? Means direct attack of oxygen on the metal surface. Oxygen is attacked on the metal surface, oxidation corrosion will occur. So the direct attack of oxygen on the metal surface is called as oxidation corrosion. For example, this is the metal. So the attack of oxygen which is present in the environment, the attack of oxygen on the metal surface, what happens? Metal gets oxidized. What is oxidation? That means loss of electron. So the metal gets oxidized, it is converted into metal ion. That means M gives M2 plus 2 electron. If the metal is bivalent means it loses 2 electrons. So M gives M2 plus 2 electron. So this metal gets oxidized into metal ion. It readily loses the 2 electrons. So these 2 electrons absorbed by the oxygen which is present in the atmosphere. So the transfer of electron from metal surface to the oxygen, what happens? This oxygen gets reduced. Oxygen gets reduced. It gains the electrons. It gets reduced into oxide ion. It gets reduced into oxide ion. So the oxide ion is formed. This oxide ion and metal ions combine to form metal oxide layer, which is formed on the metal surface, metal oxide layer. First metal ion is formed in between metal and oxide layer interface. Then oxide ion formed is in between environment and oxide layer interface. Finally, this metal ion and oxide ions moves towards each other. It produces metal oxide layer. This metal oxide layer is formed on the metal surface. This is called as oxidation corrosion. So oxidation corrosion, main reason the oxidation corrosion, the important role of oxidation reaction, there is oxide layers. Oxide layers are formed. This oxide layers plays the important role in oxidation corrosion. So oxide layers, there are three types of oxide layers. One is stable oxide layer. Stable oxide layer. Second one is unstable oxide layer. Second one is unstable oxide layer. Third one is volatile oxide layer. Volatile oxide layer. So these are the three types of oxide layers are formed. So these oxide layers plays an important role in the oxidation corrosion. Stable oxide layers, it occurs in the alkali and alkaline. This oxide layers are formed on the mainly the transition elements like iron, lead, tin, etc. This type of oxide layers are formed. Unstable oxide layers, the stable oxide layers are fine grained structure and it tightly adsorbed on the metal surface. So it avoids the further attack of oxygen. So the tightly packed on the metal surface. It is a fine grain structure. It is impervious in nature. That is stable oxide layer. Example is some transition elements, the D block elements. This type of stable oxide layers are formed. Next, unstable oxide layers means it is formed on the noble metals. You know what are noble metals? Silver, gold and platinum. That is gold, silver and platinum. These are the noble metal. This unstable oxide layer is formed on the noble metal. That means it readily decomposed back into metal and oxygen. So that is unstable oxide. Next, volatile oxide layer. This is formed on the molybdenum. Molybdenum oxide layers. This is a volatile. It readily evaporates. It's formed as soon as it readily evaporates. That is called as unstable oxide layer. It is formed on the molybdenum. That means molybdenum oxide layers are formed. This is dry corrosion. Dry corrosion, attack of oxygen on the metal surface by the atmospheric gases in the absence of moisture. There are three types: oxidation corrosion, corrosion by oxygen and hydrogen, and liquid metal corrosion. Oxidation corrosion means attack of oxygen on the metal surface by the atmospheric, direct attack of oxygen on